Have you ever wondered how many different kinds of frogs there are in the world and what makes each one special? Well, prepare to be amazed, because the diversity and adaptability of these incredible creatures are beyond what you might ever imagine. Let's start with a fun fact. Did you know that there are over 5,000 species of frogs? Yes, you heard that right, over 5,000? That's more than the number of mammal species on our planet. And each one, from the smallest pebble frog to the largest Goliath frog, is a tiny marvel in its own right. Frogs make their homes in all sorts of environments across the globe, from the lush rainforests of Costa Rica to the arid deserts of Australia. They've managed to thrive in so many different habitats because of their unique adaptations. These adaptations aren't just about survival, they're also about making the most of the resources available to them. Take, for instance, the tree frogs. These lively little jumpers have developed sticky pads on their feet, perfect for clinging to branches high up in the canopy. On the other hand, desert frogs have evolved to survive without water for months, burrowing deep into the sand to escape the scorching sun. As diverse as their habitats are, so too are their diets. Some frogs are insectivores, gobbling up bugs with their long, sticky tongues. Others prefer a more vegetarian lifestyle, munching on algae and plant matter. There are even frogs that are cannibals, not hesitating to eat their own kind when food is scarce. Each frog species is a testament to the power of evolution and the incredible diversity of life on our planet. Their unique adaptations allow them to survive and thrive in some of the harshest environments on Earth, making them some of the most resilient creatures around. In the coming moments, we'll dive deeper into the fascinating adaptations of some specific frog species. Get ready to hop into the world of frogs. Imagine being a frog living in the freezing cold or scorching heat. How would you survive? Well, frogs have some pretty incredible adaptations that help them to survive in all sorts of environments. Let's dive into some of these fascinating examples. First up, we have the wood frog. This frog has a superpower that seems straight out of a comic book. When winter comes, the wood frog can actually freeze solid, like an amphibian popsicle. It's not just a little frosty, we're talking about a frog that is practically ice. But here's the truly amazing part. When spring rolls around, the wood frog thaws out and hops back to life as if nothing happened. This freeze-thaw ability allows the wood frog to live in places that are beyond cold, places where most other frogs would not survive. Next, let's turn up the heat and talk about the desert rain frog. This tiny frog lives in some of the hottest, driest places on Earth. So, how does it cope with the scorching heat? It uses a special adaptation to burrow deep into the sand, escaping the merciless sun and keeping cool. When the rare rain does come, the desert rain frog emerges from its sandy hideaway to enjoy the moisture. Lastly, we have the tree frog. Now, these frogs have a unique adaptation that helps them live high in the trees, suction cup toes. Yes, you heard that right. Their toes work like tiny suction cups, allowing them to climb and cling to leaves and branches. This helps them evade predators on the ground and reach food sources that other frogs can't. So there you have it. Frogs are truly masters of adaptation. They've developed amazing abilities to survive in the harshest of environments, from freezing cold to scorching heat, and from the ground to the treetops. These frogs show us that with the right adaptations, life can thrive in the most unexpected places. What if you had the ability to change your color or even glow in the dark? For some frogs, this is their reality. One of the most fascinating members of the frog family is the poison dart frog. This small creature comes in a variety of vibrant colors, from brilliant blues to radiant reds. But these striking hues aren't just for show. They serve as a warning to potential predators that this frog is not a tasty treat, but a toxic terror. Then there's the glass frog, a master of disguise. Its skin is transparent, allowing it to blend seamlessly into its surroundings. Imagine being able to see your own heart beating. And let's not forget about the bioluminescent frog. This incredible amphibian has the ability to glow in the dark, lighting up the night with its luminous skin. From freezing solid to glowing in the dark, Frogs truly are nature's masters of adaptation.